Hello everyone, my name is Padwa Shital. Today we are discuss about the string builder and string buffer. First we can discuss about the string buffer. String buffer class in Java, it is used to the mutable. It is used to the represent the mutable sequence of the character. It provides the alternative to the form of the immutable string class. It is a class that used to modify the contents of the string without creating a new instance of the string. String buffer class object are the mutable. That means we can use the change the string object we can use the string object. Then we discuss about the methods of string buffer class. First method is a append. It is used to the add characters in the string of the object to the end of the string buffer. Then second method is a insert. In this method we can use the insert character to the string at the specified position in the string. Then third method is a delete. The delete method is used to the remove the characters in the buffer. Then last method is a reverse. It is used to reverse a character of the buffer class. Then a string buffer is used to the pair class of the strings that is used to provide the much functionality of the string class. String, it represent the fixed length and the immutable represent the growable string buffer. Then second we can discuss about the string builder class. The string builder class, it is used to the create a mutable string. Then string Java class, that is used to the create a string buffer class, except that it is a non-synchronized. Then string buffer, it is available in JDK 1.5 version. And then we discuss about the methods of string builder class. First method is a string builder append. And we can pass the string. It is used to the append the specified string in the string buffer. Then second one is a string buffer insert. In that we can pass the integer string. Then third one is a delete, and we can pass the parenthesis start index and the end index. This method is used to delete the specified strings that is start to end portion. Then last one is a string builder reverse. It is used to the reverse the specified portion to the string. Then length function, it is used to the measure of the length of the string. Both the string class and the buffer class are the mutable in the Java. Thank you.